You're the business owner or manager of a medium or large company. Or maybe your job is responsibility for health and safety. Whatever the case, you want to know how to create a safer workplace, prevent injuries, and reduce costs. The Employer Health and Safety Planning Toolkit is your one-stop web tool to help you and your company with health and safety planning. It's like a data warehouse of your company's health and safety history at your fingertips. So how does having all that information in one place help you? Well, the tool allows you to see your industry's risks, how your workers are being injured, and how you compare to your competitors. It lets you see which injuries are driving your costs and forecast the money you can save by preventing them. But that's just the beginning. Once you can see where your injuries and hazards are today, you can develop plans for the future. See how these changes could affect your bottom line for the better. And best of all, if you need to present this information to your boss or partner, the tool lays it all out in easy-to-understand charts and reports, making you look pretty smart. The Employer Health and Safety Planning Toolkit. Unlock your data today. Go to WorkSafeBC.com.